All right, now everybody online says that dropshipping is dead, but the truth is most people fail because they pick the wrong supplier or tool, not because the business model don't work. So I made it my mission to find a dropshipping tool for y'all that actually works, that's actually beneficial, and I'm about to show it to y'all right now. All right, so this is Doba, right? And what Doba is a drop shipping network, a product research tool, order fulfillment. I mean, it does it all. Okay, so we're gonna break it down step by step, and I'm gonna show y'all. So first of all, everybody knows today with drop shipping, TikTok is almost a necessity, and the reason why is because with TikTok Shop, a lot of products are able to go viral through there, and people are making real money. So they have a section, TikTok Shop selections, right? Crush it on TikTok, discover the hottest products for your shop. And so here you see all these different kinds of products, right? And it doesn't just stop there, right? The irony of a machine asking me if I'm a machine. All right, so boom, you got MSRP, which is $33. That's pretty much what you're gonna sell this product around. And then you've got pickup price of $5.79. They ship from the United States, which is always a good thing. And so what I'm gonna do as far as product research, I'm gonna go to TikTok and I'm gonna do laptop stand for bed. And as you see right here on TikTok Shop, they are going crazy. So what you can do in one easy click, add to your inventory list, right? You can have tech, confirm, right? You can download. What this does is download product images, all that good stuff for you. You can list it directly to your store, which is probably one of the biggest value points of this software, right? Because boom, let's say I have Shopify, I have eBay, TikTok Shop, any of these places, I can now just click and boom, create a listing. Or I can have a store built for me with AI. But we're gonna try to get more in depth here, because I wanna find y'all some products, right? So top ranking. First, I'm gonna definitely say this one right here. Honestly, if you can find the pink one, something like this. Oh no, here we go. This is the one they want on eBay. I'm sorry, this is the one they want on TikTok. This is probably gonna be the best one. A lot of the time, finding winning products is about finding what I would call not a product gap, but right now in the United States, with September 11 being in the general vicinity, and big things happening in the political landscape of the United States, we're seeing flag poles, right? Flag poles with US flag ball, right? This is something that's a winning product for right now, because a lot of people are honestly on their patriotic type time right now. So this is definitely another product that is a winning product right now. You want to get in front of products in seasons, right? So I'm gonna show y'all something that I've showed people in the past, because you might say, bro, it's only September. Why would you be selling Christmas trees? Well, I'm gonna show you something. This is Google Trends, right? And Christmas, right? The word Christmas, sorry, I didn't capitalize it. The word Christmas, this is the peak, right? This is the peak. The word Christmas peaks at around, right, in December, right? But when does it start? Oh, it starts middle of September, late October, and then it just rises and rises from there to November all the way through, right? So what that info tells you, and this is the type of product research that I be talking about, what this tells you is, when it comes to marketing and having this type of product that you want to drop ship, it starts now, right? So it's not too early to get into Christmas. And any product, any seasonal product you want to, let's say 4th of July, any seasonal product that you want to start to market for, at Google Trends and see that, oh, come April, mid-April, 4th of July is already starting to be a topic and something that people are searching for and stuff like that. So definitely do not miss the boat when it comes to finding a good product. Also, this snow shovel, right? This also goes into kind of what I was just saying. We're coming up into the winter. The winter is coming, right? So this is a good time to start promoting, to start marketing winter products. So something like this is good to start marketing. It's in the United States as well. So what I'm already noticing from Doba is that it's just like a lot of the other drop shipping suppliers. However, what they do is they have sellers in the United States. Now, what that does for your shipping time, your reliability, and all of that, man, that's huge. So let's go now to premium suppliers, right? They have them listed by premium suppliers. If you're in the tech business, a tech ring, what is a tech ring? Okay. So they've got some, okay. I thought we were looking at tech. All right, cool. But if you're in that field, hey, they got it for you. Sculptures, right? No matter what type of store you want to be or want to have, wall mounted wine cabinet. I know my wife would probably enjoy something like this. These type of things, especially if it's in your niche, if it's in your brand, like they have suppliers that just specify in these certain things. So yeah, man, this is pretty good. This is nice. They got new arrivals. What's new, right? The new stuff. Sometimes I've heard drop shipping experts say this a lot, but when it comes to getting rich with a product, it's really being early on it, right? And this is where you do that, right? I've never seen anything like this. A spin scrubber, never seen that. They've got 100 in stock. Add that to inventory list. Smart home cleaning, confirm. Smart air purifiers. We're actually using a purifier that looks just like that, but it's not smart. So new arrivals, blowout sale, right? This is the stuff that is 100% on sale. Stainless steel dog bowl. Oh, wow. That's neat. So yeah, all these novelty products, bro. Amazon for my FBA people, right? If you were Amazon FBA, they've got something for you. Free shipping. You get this stuff, free shipping. You might be able to offer free shipping to your customers, which is always a good thing. So boom, we covered inventory from US suppliers, right? AI product discovery tools, which is honestly groundbreaking, right? It can build a store, it can find you products, right? You can boom, sync your orders and fulfillment for all right here. And they have dedicated account reps and support 24/7 right over here. So it's got a massive catalog of tested suppliers, a lot of beginner friendly tools, faster delivery than AliExpress. And the only con, I wouldn't even call it a con, but I mean, it does cost you can get in at $28 a month. So bro, let me know what y'all think in the comments. Go test it out. Let me know what y'all think. Rico gang, I love y'all. Let's do it.